Arctic. Let's go explore the icy Arctic.
All right, yeah! Woohoo! Arctic tern.
The Arctic tern is a migrating from the Arctic.
These birds are amazing.
You're right, Marco. They are amazing. The most amazing thing about the Arctic tern is its migration.
What's migration?
Migration is when birds fly from cold weather climates like the Arctic for warmth, food, or to raise their young in warmer climates.
But a lot of birds migrate.
Yes, but the Arctic tern has the longest migration of any animal on Earth. They migrate from the North Pole to the South Pole.
Whoa, that's one side of the Earth to the other. My arms would be so tired.
The Arctic tern stops along the way to rest and eat. And when the weather gets warmer, they turn around and start the journey all the way back again.
Bye. Back to the Arctic.
Let's write tern. T. E. R. N. T. E. R. N. Tern.
Polar bear.
Polar bears can be found on the sea ice of the Arctic. Polar bears are the largest bears on Earth. They can weigh the same as 3 refrigerators.
Won't the polar bear break the ice being so heavy?
Actually, Willow, its big paws help the bear walk on thin ice and snow by spreading out its weight. And those same paws make them great at swimming. They help propel the polar bear through the water. And under their fur, they even have webbed toes.
Webbed toes?
And after a swim, polar bears like to roll around to make their coats clean and dry.
When you don't have a towel, you have to use what you've got.
Feeding time. Match the shapes to get the food. Heptagon. Rectangle. Octagon. Heptagon. Oval. Hexagon. Triangle. Pentagon. Rectangle. Circle. Octagon. Trapezoid. Square. Hexagon. Octagon. Pentagon. Heptagon. Hexagon. Square. Rectangle. Trapezoid.